Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to Max online class. So, I already explained the last class what are the chapters in your ninth standard, and the first chapter is the name of set language. The set language. The theory of set was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. Today is used in almost every branch of mathematics. In mathematics, sets are convenient because all the mathematical structures can be regarded as set. Okay, dear students, coming to the point, set language. What is set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. This is a definition for the set. In the definition, exists two important words, the well-defined and the collection of object. So what is the well-defined? It means must be a possible values. The object of a set are called its members or element. Okay, the example of the set. The example of the set, the first one, the collection of all colors in a rainbow. Okay. The collection of all colors in the rainbow is already defined, well defined. The 7 colors. The short form is WBGR. Here the object is color. Okay. The collection of all colors in a rainbow is the example of set. Then the second example, the collection of prime numbers. The prime number is the well defined, because what is the definition of prime number? The number only divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. This is the definition of prime number. So this is already well defined. Then the object is numbers. So the collection of prime numbers is the example of set. Have you understood? Okay. Here we are going to study about some notations. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabets, namely A, B, C, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, and so on. Okay, dear students. Then the second one, it is namely curly bracket. The elements of a set is written within the curly brackets. Okay, the elements of the sets written within the curly bracket. So the example is, the set is, just you assume the set is A, which is equal to the numbers. This can be read as the set of all. The name of the bracket is curly bracket, but it can be read as the set of all. Okay, set of all the natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so the elements written within the curly bracket. Have you understood this notation? Okay. Then the third one, X belongs to A. This can be read as X belongs to A. If X is an element of set A or X belongs to A. Okay. Then the fourth one, X is not an element of set A. It can be read as X does not belongs to A. Have you understood? The next topic is representation of a set. Here, a set can be represented in any one of following the 3 ways of the form. The first form is descriptive form. What is descriptive form? In descriptive form, a set is described in words. A set is described in words. This is the definition of descriptive form. The example, the set of all vowels in a English alphabet. Okay, these all are in words. So this is the descriptive form. The set of all vowels in English alphabets. The second example, the set of whole numbers. This is also all are words. So the set is described in words. Have you understood? Okay, then the second topic, set builder form or rule form. Set builder form or rule form. The definition is, in set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. So described by a rule. This is rule method. Okay. So consider the above example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabets. Here we write the first one, A is equal to set of all X. The double dot can be read as such that. Okay, X such that. X is a vowels in English alphabets. First define the set. A is equal to set of all X. Then the rule is X is a vowels in the English alphabets. Have you understood this? Then the second example. What is the second example in the above statement? The set of all whole numbers. Okay. So the second example. B is equal to set of all X. The slash also here can be read as such that. Okay. So X such that. X is a whole number. First define the X. Then explain the X value. That's all. This is a set builder form or rule form. Have you understood this? Okay, the third one, roster form or tabular form. The definition is a set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. So this is listing method. Okay, a roster form or tabular form is a set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. The example. Okay, here consider the same example. The set of all vowels in the English alphabets. The set of all vowels in the alphabetics are A, E, I, O, U. So, list out the answers. A is equal to set of all A, E, I, O, U. So, this is a listing method. Okay, what is the second example? The set of all whole numbers. Okay, now B is equal to set of all. The whole numbers can be started. The whole numbers can be started 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. This is the roster form. Okay. If you once described in words, that is descriptive form. Then if you described by the rule, the set builder form, then the list out the values, the form is roster form. Have you understood the three forms? Okay. Okay, now we are going to see the exercise. Exercise 1.1, the first question, which of the followings are set? Okay, which of the followings are set? So already well known the set definition, the collection of well-defined object. Okay, the first question, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. So already I said the prime numbers are already well-defined. And also the object is numbers. So the given question is a set. So the answer is it is set. Here no need to write the reason, because the question is which of the followings are set. The second question, the collection of rich people in India. This is the second question. Okay, this is well defined? It's not, because rich people can be changed. This is difficult to agree. Is it or not? Comparing with the peoples, not easily identify the rich people. So this is difficult to agree. So it is not a set. Have you understood the reason? It is not a set. Then the third question. The collection of all rivers in India. The all rivers in India is already defined. Okay, this is not be changed. So well defined. And also the object is river. So it is set. So it is set is the answer. The fourth question, the collection of good hockey players. The good hockey players, the character is mentioned here. So this is not be well defined. This is also can be changed comparing with one another. So here also difficult to agree. So this is not a set. So it is not a set is the answer. Have you understood the question? Okay. The second question, list the set of letters of the following words in roster form. The second question, want to write the roster form. This is listing method, already known. Okay. The first question, India. So first define the set. The set is A. Let us consider A. A is equal to set of all the letters. List out the letters. I, N, D, I already exists, so does no need to write. Then A, that's all. Then the second question is parallelogram. So now define the letter B. B is equal to set of all. List out the letters. P, A, R, A is already exists. Then L, L also exists. Then E, then L is exists. Then O, G, R, R is already exists. A also exists. M. Okay, here rewrite this. Here O and G's. Write in the order. Okay, then the third question, Mississippi. Okay, so now define the set C, which is equal to set of all. List out the letters M, I, S, S, I, S, S is already exists. So P. So that's all the answer of 3. Then the fourth question, Czechoslovakia. Answer. Now the set is defined by D. So D is equal to set of all. C, Z, E, C already exists. Then H, O, S, L, O is already exists. Then V, A, K, I, A is already exists. That's all the answer. Have you understood the roster form? Okay. Then the third question, consider the following sets. A is equal to set of all 0, 3, 5, 8. Then B is equal to set of all 2, 4, 6, 10. And C is equal to set of all 12, 14, 18, 20. The question is, state whether true or false. So now say the true or false. The first question is 18 belongs to C. Now refer the question. Consider the C set. This is C. So 18 is belongs to C or not? Yes, 18 is belongs to C. So it is true. Then the second question, 6 does not belongs to A. That means 6 does not appear in set A. Is it true or false? Consider the set A. Refer that 0, 3, 5, 8. So 6 does not appear in A. So it is also true. Have you understood the reason? Okay. Then the third question, 14 does not belongs to C. Now consider the set C. Refer 14. So 12, 14. Yes, 14 is appear in C. But here mentioned 14 does not belongs to C. So it is false. Have you understood the reason? Then the fourth question, 10 belongs to B. Now refer the set B. 10 in the B set. So 10 belongs to B is true. Then the fifth question, 5 belongs to B. Now also consider the B set. 5 does not be appear in B. So 5 belongs to B is false. Then the sixth one, 0 belongs to B. So now consider the B. Here does not exist any 0. So 0 belongs to B is false. Have you understood the true or false? Okay. The next question, fill in the blanks. The first one, 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to A. Refer the A. Yes, 3 belongs to A. So here you write A. Then 14 belongs to C. Yes, refer your given set. 14 belongs to C. Then 18 does not belongs to. Here given the fill up. So 18 B. So refer the B set. Here mention the notation. Okay. So this is for B. The question is 18. Here 18 does not be appear. So use the notation does not belongs to B. Then 4 dash B. So now consider the B. This is for B. So 4 is appear. So use the notation of belongs to. So the answer is 4 belongs to B. That's all the first 3 question from the exercise 1.1. Okay, dear students, today's homework, read and write definitions. The definitions of set, descriptive form, set builder form, roster form, and examples 1.1 and 1.2. Examples 1.1 and 1.2. Work out the sums. Then the page number 4, activity 2 be given in your book. So fill up the table. That's all today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.